Hey guys, CODENUM this side and welcome to another video of the Java tutorial series. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to input any data during runtime in Java. So with that said, let's start our today's topic. So first let's open BlueJ. Here I have created an input class but it's totally empty. I have just deleted the extra text which are present here. So today I'm going to show you the scanner class method of inputting any data, but if you want to see the buffer reader class method also, then just write it in a comment and I will make a video on it. So proceeding with the scanner class method. So the first step of doing it is we have to import a package called the java.util package. So for doing it we have to write this at the top. Before the class is declared, we have to write import java.util.star. Now after util I have written this star because this signifies that all the classes inside this package is being called, but all the classes are not needed, only the scanner class is needed, and thus we call it the scanner class method. So after that we have to create an object of the scanner class which we will use in our program. So for that just write scanner, the S is capital, then sc the variable name, and you can write variable name anything. I have just written sc new scanner, then system dot in. So this line just creates an object of the scanner class in our program. So now to input any data we need a variable in which we will assign those datas. So let's declare some variables. Let's write int num1. Let's declare double value num2. Let's declare another long value called sum and a string variable, string name. So here are four variables with four different data types. First one is int, second one is double, third one is long, and fourth one is string. Oh sorry, I've written the spelling wrong. String. So now we are ready to make the input statements, right? Means writing the input statements. So for the num1 variable, just write num1, the variable which you are going to assign the data. Then write sc for the object name sc, and then write next int. Here the I will be capital, okay, not small. Here the next int, the I would be capital. So by this statement we can input the data into num1 and take care that it is next int because the variable is int. If it was double as the next one is, then we would write next double, okay. And also see the I, the double, the D, everything is capital. The first letter is always capital, okay. Similarly for the long one, let's write sum equals sc dot next long, okay. And for the string variable, the statement sc dot next string won't work, so rather we have to write next line, okay. But this creates a problem. The problem I will show you in a second. For now just display some text for us to make it easy to input data. For the first one, system dot out dot print enter int value. Similarly, in the next one, just write enter double value. Int double value. Again, in this one, write enter long value, and at last write enter name. So now we are ready to run the program. What happened? Oh, I forgot to change the thing. Now it's okay. I've wrote num1 instead of num2. Okay. So now if we run the program, it says enter int value. Let's write 1 2 3 4. It says enter double value. Let's write something like this, and then after that point like this, anything. And for long value, let's write anything long. And for the enter name, we didn't get the place to write anything. It just makes a disable text place or something like that. So the main thing is we are not able to write anything in the name variable. So this is the problem I was talking about, and to solve it we have to write another sc.nextInt line here. So I don't know why it happens, maybe it's a bug or something, but to solve it we have to write this thing, another sc.nextInt line, just an empty, don't assign it, and then the main line you are going to write. So now for the sum variable, this line is illogical, just delete it, rather write sum equals num1 plus num2. Now we will get an error. It says lossy conversion from double to long, because in the long data type we can just enter any whole number, as I have said in my previous video, but in the double data we can write decimal values, so it holds more information. So some data would be lost if we make the double value assigned to the long value. So we can just interchange it, that would be fine. And now make it long. So this thing is now okay, no error, and now we can just print the sum value. Enter. The sum value is and after it just write the variable name. So like this everything is okay. I have intentionally declared these variables different to show you the different syntaxes. For int it's int, for long it's long, for double as I showed it will be double, and like that. So now let's finally run it. Write something, another long value, enter name, anything, and the sum value is like this. Okay, and it's point because the variable type is double. If we make it long, then it will be better. So leave that because it's not in our topic today. So this was all about the input thing in Java. By this method we can input any data in the Java during runtime. And I hope you like this video, and if you did so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more this kind of videos. And with that said, thanks for watching.